Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Chromecast 4.0 with Android smartphone. So in the previous video I shown you how to connect and plug in your Chromecast to TV screen, and right here we need to plug it, connect it with our phone. And to do this, get the pilot for your TV, make sure it's powered on and that your Chromecast is connected. Now click in reverse, find the source button on your pilot, click on it, and here the little menu should show up. It might look different on your TV. Here find the HDMI that your Chromecast is connected to and click on OK on the pilot. It should transfer you to this screen, and now it says that we need to press and hold go back button and home button on our Chromecast pilot. It's this pilot that we have right here. And another thing is to make sure that you have batteries inside the pilot. It's very important. And now let's hold these two buttons, and we need to hold them until this LED lamp right here starts flashing. So it started flashing. Now it should begin the setup. Here we can pick a different language. You can navigate through this menu with buttons on top of the pilot. I will use English. We can set up the Chromecast on our phone, and to do this you need to get the Google Home app on your smartphone. And I have it somewhere around here. You can search for it. If you don't have it on your phone, you need to go for a Google Play Store and download Google Home app. Now set up the Chromecast. You should see it on top. If not, you need to go back and click on this plus button, set up device, new device, choose the home you want to use for this device, and find it should start looking for Chromecast automatically, and it's found, so we can connect. Click on yes. Camera permission, let's scan the code. We need to give the permission for the camera. Now point the camera on the QR code, which is right there, and then it should start the connection process. So we successfully connected our device. We can click on accept. Now where this device will be set up, we can use it attic, dining room, or entryway, or any other. Probably somewhere in the settings or right here at the bottom you can use a custom room. And let's go with dining room. Click next. You need to connect your Chromecast with a Wi-Fi network, and in the beginning I would suggest to connect with 2.4 band Wi-Fi and not to use the 5G. So I'll go with this one. Click on next. Here you need to sign in accept that you're using the saved password on this phone for the Wi-Fi network, and I will click OK. If you're not sure, you can use and enter the password manually. So click on OK. Now we need to sign in with our Google account, so I'm going to go with continue and do the connecting of the screen. And right here I just got an error, and we're going to try again. And we've successfully connected. Now we can download any software updates. So click on continue. Here accept or read through all of the permissions, and then go for accept. We can set up Google Assistant. Allow to search across all your TV apps. we need need to update Google Assistant, but I'm gonna skip it as I just want to show you how to set up this device and not the Google Assistant. Choose our subscriptions, which will be available on this Chromecast, and here let's go with YouTube Music, or actually we might need to agree with it, so let's go like that. Add household contacts that will be able to use this Chromecast on their phones as well. I'm gonna click on now. Choose the ambient mode, and here you can use a Google Pictures for wallpaper on your Chromecast, or go for the art gallery and use your own images. And I'm gonna skip it. Stay in no, and here I'm actually need to read what it is, and stay up to date on Google hardware products and related features, services and offers, plus receive invitations to help improve Google hardware products and related services. You can click learn more to basically learn more, and here I'm not gonna sign up, I'm gonna click on no thanks. Now we're almost finished, and here's a review of what we have set up. And you can see the list of all the things you have agreed to. So this device is set for a dining room, and the services are YouTube Music and YouTube. Let's go and continue. Setup here is finished, and right now we just need to wait till the download for our software update is done. And that's basically all of the things for the setup, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.